Guys, what's up? Sharath here, and today I'm going to make a tutorial on how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So, this video is dedicated to only the first step of solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, which is a white cross. And I'm going to make consecutive videos with step by step how to solve the cube. So, this video is only dedicated to the first step, that is how to solve the white cross. That's that. So, before teaching you all how to do the first step of solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, that is a white cross, I would like to explain to you all the structure of the cube, which plays quite an important role in solving the Rubik's Cube in the first place. So we need to know that there are three types of pieces: the edge piece, the centerpiece, and the corner piece. The centerpiece determines the color of that side. So if you want to know which color belongs to a particular side, you'll have to look at the centerpiece. So by looking at this centerpiece, we can certify that this side is white, this side is green, this side is orange. Of course, it's pretty obvious in a solved cube, as it's already solved and you can just look at it and tell which color that side is. But say it was a scrambled cube. Take this cube for an example. How would you know which side is which color? You would have to look at the centerpiece. This is white, so this is the white side. This is the orange side. This is the yellow side. This is the green side, and this is the blue side. So that's the edge piece. The edge piece is the second type of piece. It has two colors. This is an edge piece, this is an edge piece, this is an edge piece, and this is also an edge piece. An edge piece has two colors, as I said. So this piece has two colors. That is white and orange. This one too, white and blue. Same with this one, white and red. The third and the last type of piece in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube is the corner piece. The corner piece is this piece. It has three colors, so it's got white, orange, and blue. One more example: white, blue, and red. So now we know the three types of pieces. The cube has six sides, and the different colors on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, or any cube for that matter, a puzzle, are orange, white, green, yellow, blue, red. Six colors. Hope I'm not missed out on anyone. So now we need to know the opposites. The opposites are pretty important. So the opposite of orange is red, the opposite of yellow is white, the opposite of green is blue. So that's that. So let's get into the first step of solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. As we have covered all the structural explanation that I must give you so that you can study the cube well. So now let's get into solving the cube. We'll first scramble it, and then I will teach you all how to do the first step of solving the cube, that is the white cross. Let's just give a scramble to it. By the way, I'm going to use a beginner's method in this, as this is for people who have no idea how to solve the cube at all. So it's just going to be a very basic method, and I'm going to try to keep the explanation as simple as possible. So now we need to do the white cross. So white cross is this, with these are going to have white edge pieces, right? So a edge piece has two colors, so this will be white, and whatever color will be on this side should match up to the centerpiece on the other side of that edge piece. So suppose here was a edge piece with white and orange. It should match up with the orange centerpiece, so that piece would be here. So how do we do the white cross? We go to the opposite side of white, that is yellow, and we make a white cross with the yellow centerpiece. So let's just find for an edge piece. Here's one right here, so we'll just put it up. Now one more. Here's one, so we could just turn it 180 degrees. That's 1 and 2. That's there. Let's find for one more. Here's one more, so we could just, it's here, right? So we could just do this, move this middle here and send it up. one to go, and it's here. So we just get it below this side, that is here, below this, and turn it twice. So now we've made a white cross with the yellow centerpiece, but we need a white cross, and as I told you all, it should be matching. So we'll just go to the other side of this white edge piece, that's blue, and we match it up with blue and turn it 180 degrees. That's 1, 2. Take this side, take it to the red side, and turn 1, 2. Take this piece to the orange side, of course, 1, 2, and take the last piece, that is the green one. It's already on its place, so we turn it 1, 2, and here we go. We have the white cross, which is the first step on solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, with the consecutive second color of the edge piece and the centers on all the sides. So that's about it for this first segment of solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I hope you liked the video, hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, click the like button and subscribe, and wait for the next one. The next one will be solving the whole second layer, so watch out for that one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.